This is the CUOLL Bathtub Water Filter that was sent to me for review. It contains KDF55, alkaline ceramic balls, activated carbon, calcium sulfite, and other filter balls to ensure clean and pH balanced water for a refreshing and soothing bath. It easily mounts to all standard bathtub faucets for quick and easy installation and comes with a splash-proof cover to clean water at any temperature. It also includes both a short and long cord for flexible installation and a generous amount of clear double-sided tape that stays secure even when wet and leaves no residue when removed. It uses 8 types of filter media to remove 99% of fluorine, chlorine, heavy metals, rust, and other harmful substances step by step. Enriched with vitamin C balls, mineralizing balls, and magnetic energy balls, this bathtub filter infuses the water with vitamin C, E, and beneficial minerals, making every bath a pure experience all year round. I love using it for my son's bath since he has sensitive skin, and it's great for my own baths too. It's so easy and convenient, and the filtration material doesn't slow down the water flow, so I don't have to wait extra time to fill the tub.